Morning everyone, it's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge Tesco's grocery delivery, and before it arrives I'm going to clean out my fridge, just give it a wipe down. It's not looking too bad, it's looking very empty, which is good. And I'm just going to prep everything, and then I'm going to show you the shopping once it arrives, and also how I put everything away. So see you in a little bit. So I've got my stuff ready here. I've got my soya milk bottle and juice, my cold meats little box. This will be for the eggs. I've got Ziploc bags so I can freeze meat as well. And I've got these two. I'll probably just use this one. And I put any meats that are not going to be frozen or ready to cook in here. The fridge is very clean, as you can see it's very empty as well. So yeah, and Tesco's has just arrived. So also I forgot to tell you, I'm also going to share with you my menu for the next couple of weeks. So how I've planned my meals and what I'm going to cook. And yes, so this haul should see us through 2 weeks, okay? Okay, so this is all the fridge and freezer stuff. I'm going to show you this first, then put it all away, and then show you the rest. So I got a bag of mozzarella, shredded cheese, and some mature. 2 things of sausages. They were a promotion. They were 2 for £3, so I got 2. Some Greek style yogurt, the honey flavour, just because you guys know by now that I love the honey flavoured stuff. Some milk, 2 things of butter, 2 things of garlic bread. I will freeze one straight away. And then I got a little thing of honey roast ham and wafer thin roast turkey. Did I show you the block of cheese? Cathedral City is my favourite. Frozen stuff, I got some cooked mussels, some mixed everyday vegetables, some chicken thigh boneless, some chicken breasts, also frozen, some mashed potato. I love this mashed potato. It's really, really good and really easy. I got 2 bags of those. Got some sliced mushrooms, some chips, 2 things of ice cream. This was promotion. It's usually £3.75 and they were half price, so I got 2. You know, it won't go off in the freezer. Some of Paul's ice lollies. And then non-free, or you know, just for the fridge, I got some mince, some chicken breasts, a thing of broccoli, some cauliflower, then 2 things of salad, Got sweet and crunchy salad and a bay leaf salad. Baby leaf, not bay leaf. Also got some feta to go with the salads, some double cream, and some leeks. So I'm going to leave this stuff out. This I left out to show you because I don't think I showed you these. Cheese and onion. I'd ordered 2 cheese and onion pasties. They didn't have pasties, so they sent me cheese and onion slices, and as a bonus for not having what I bought, they sent me an extra one, so those can go straight in the fridge. And then this stuff I need to prep and put into bags, or these go in the cold meat box, and I'm going to cut these up, but I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, so this is all the non-refrigerated stuff. I got Alex's favourite cereal. He really likes this, and it's really good. Whole grain, high in fibre. Cheerios, Oat Crisps. They were actually a promotion, so I got two, 1.37 each. I got a big thing of Rice Krispies, 3 things of eggs, so I've got 30 eggs, 2 things of Gala apples, a bag of carrots, a bag of Maris Piper's potatoes, some pasta. I got the fusilli, I think that's how you say it, type. I got 2 of these plain flour. I've put the other one already out there to go in my pantry, and I got 2 of these strong white flour. I saw these and I thought this will be something nice to have for Alex. They're sweets, but they're like natural-ish, you know, ish. Got some coconut oil, some distilled vinegar, some mackerel. Paul likes this stuff. I wouldn't touch it, but so I got 1 in curry sauce, 1 in sweet chili sauce, and 1 in tomato sauce. Got a bottle of Coke, some vegetable oil. There's some tuna as well, some olives. I got 4 of these. Again, the other 3 are out there. I got 4 soya milks as well. The other 3 are out. I got Paul some wheat-free, gluten-free and milk-free bread. I'm going to freeze this and then he can take a couple of slices whenever he wants. I also got some passata 3, some oats, and I got a massive bag of basmati rice. This looks really good. Superior aged basmati rice. So that's a 5 kilo bag. And then I got some bread. I got different stuff. I got a fruit loaf. I also got, this is a malted grain, not normal loaf. This is white bread, you know, just sliced. And then I got some buns. I'm already regretting it because they look old. But this is for a recipe. I'll show you guys later what I'm going to do. Got 2 bags of sugar. 1 is out there. Bunny bites. These are like little crisps for Alex. Got 2 bags of cat food. And then I've got a non-bio washing powder. And finally, a big meaty variety packet of crisps. There's 30 there for Paul. Oh, one more thing. You can see it just there. 2 things of toilet roll. Sorry, I think I skipped this. This is a Alpro dark chocolate little desserts for Paul. And I also got some ground almonds. I don't think I showed you that. So here's what the fridge looks like. So you can see it's not overly full. I've just put the cauliflower and the broccoli in here.
Who's that?
Hello. So yeah, doesn't look very full. And then in the freezer looks pretty full actually, but yeah. What do you do? Get out of there because it's cold. So here's my very simple menu. I write 1 meal per day and then I swap them and make the ones I want to make on that particular day. So say on Monday I'll look at this and I'll say I'm going to make the pizza today. So this is just a guide. Meatballs and pasta, sausages and mash and Yorkshire puddings, sloppy joes, Russian salad, pizza, massa guisada, Portuguese pasta, pasties and chips, and then chicken pizzaiola, seafood rice, honey sesame chicken, gnocchi bolognese, healthy roast, the world's best chicken, and I've left one day for leftovers. I might even have a bit more than that. And I'll do these whenever I fancy, like I said to you guys, and they're always served with a side of vegetables. And usually here I make notes on ideas for Paul's and mine lunches, to be honest. At the moment I've just got here rice pouches and fish. You saw I bought some canned fish. Paul loves that. But I'm actually going to make a big batch of rice and just divide it for him. And that's it for my menu for the next 2 weeks.